Hey friends, welcome. So if this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. So tonight, real quick, before I get started doing this, thank you so much. I am so appreciative of all the support, and I can't believe it. I hit 2,000 subscribers. So tomorrow when I see Maddie Bug, I will draw the winner for the tumbler. Okay? Okay, so there has been this post, and I've seen it from several people on Pinterest. And it is this peach glitter that is so pretty. And people keep giving their recipes for it. So I saw it a couple days ago, and I thought, when I have a minute, I'm going to sit down and try it. So that's what I'm going to put together tonight. We're going to mix some glitter, and we are going to make this peach glitter. And I'll insert the picture from Pinterest. And it's a screenshot, so I'll just insert that. Okay, so what I'm using, the container I have, so this is actually a container from Coffee Creamer, and I save these and I use them all the time. So these are great for glitter. I have several of them that I have glitter in. But you know what else these are really good for? If you have little kids that are just learning to like pour milk and juice and stuff, you can, if I drop it, you can actually save these and put like milk, juice, whatever in them, and put this in the refrigerator, and you can fill it however full you want. And it's actually really easy for them to take it out and pour as they're learning to do things, So, and then also sometimes I make my own coffee creamer, so I like to save them for that. But these are great for glitter also. Okay. All right. So the recipe is, this is the extra fine glitter. It's called Cameo Pink, and I got this at Walmart. It was $2.96. So the recipe is 1 container of this, and I actually have some of this, but I didn't have a full container because I've used this. The container of this glitter that I had, I bought a long time ago, and I've used it a lot, and it has actually really lasted. Okay, so then it is a quarter of this. So I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was $2.99, and I had a 40% off coupon. So it was just over $1.50, probably about $1.75-ish. And then this one was $3.49, extra fine neon glitter, and I bought them at 2 separate times, so I used a coupon for this also, 40% off. So what's that? $1.75, probably about $1.85.90, so just under $2, and same, a bit under $2. And then this one was $2 and what'd I say? I just had the price in my head. I think $2.96, somewhere around there. All right, so now this one, you use a quarter, and then it's sort of like, add it until you're happy with the mixture. So we'll do that for now. And then the neon is supposed to be a half. And the nice thing is I'll be using this neon for something else. I have another neon green. Is it the same color? Oh no, it's a different neon green. That's good, because I would have been upset if I bought it and I already had it. I do that all the time. All right. Oh, that is pretty. I think more of the orange though. Oh wow, that really is pretty. That made a really nice peach color. Look at that. Wow. I'll be. All right, so now, oh, I forgot to grab. I should probably be doing that over my paper. All right, let's see. Let's see how this glitter looks. Now, of course, had I painted this white, it would pop a lot quicker. Just let that dry and we'll So while that was drying, I put a little bit on this white cup that I have. I mean, listen, I didn't clean it or do anything because I'll be taking this off. I just wanted to be able to show you what it looks like on white. since I didn't paint this cup. And, you know, usually if a glitter is a light color, I will, I'll paint it. But I wanted to see what this looked like on the silver. Because this is all just a curious, you know. This is really pretty though. All right, so this of course is, you know, stainless steel, but look how pretty that is. They're right about the color. It is definitely a beautiful color. And then we'll be on the white. I'm pretty impressed by that. Whoever thought about that, who thought of that? They're good at mixing colors. I like it. All right, well, listen, if you happen to see that on Pinterest or Facebook, I think it was on both. I don't really get on Facebook, but it was a Facebook message on Pinterest was the last one that I saw, but I've seen it several times. So if you've seen it and were wondering, you know, how the glitter color actually worked, there you go. I like it. All right, hey, listen, you guys, if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up. And I'll see you later. Tomorrow we will do the drawing for the 2000 K-Cup giveaway. And I have some really fun tumblers working. I'm sorry, you know, with COVID, we have been so busy. You know, so my time has been very sporadic that I've had available. But anyways, listen, you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, and thanks. I'll see you later. Bye.